Welcome to Agrigene Core. In this video, we're staring from the roots. What is genetics, and why is it the foundation of plant breeding? Genetics is the branch of biology which deals with the study of gene, genetic variation and heredity. Here's some basic terminologies. The first one is gene. Gene is the functional unit of DNA. The term gene coined by Wilhelm Johansen. Allele. The alternate form of gene is known as allele. The term allele was coined by W. Bateson as allelomorph. Next. Homozygous. Having two same alleles of a gene. Heterozygous. Having two different alleles of a gene. Homogeneous. Similar genetic makeup of the population. Heterogeneous. Different genetic makeup of the population. Dominant and recessive. The allele which will be expressed in heterozygous form is dominant and the masked one is recessive. Homologous chromosome. The chromosome having same chromatid length bearing same genes are known as homologous chromosome. Gene locus. A fixed position of gene on a chromosome is known as gene locus. Here, the diagram shows the specific location of a gene on a chromosome. Next, variation. Variation refers to the differences in various characters among the individuals of the same species is known as variation. And heredity. Heredity is the transmission of traits from parents to their offsprings is known as heredity. And the mode of transmission is known as inheritance. Okay, now, let's understand inheritance with a simple example. Imagine you want to go to Delhi. That is your final goal, just like a trait that needs to be expressed in a living organism, like flower color or height. Now, you can go to Delhi either by bus or by train. The destination is the same, but the way you reach there is different. This is just like a trait being inherited, but the mode of transmission, or the path taken, may vary. In genetics, these different paths represent different alleles, the different forms of a gene. So, how you reach Delhi, whether by bus or train, is similar to how a trait is passed from parent to child. Next, trait. A distinguishing quality or characteristic developed by a gene is known as trait. Next, phenotype. It refers to the visible physical properties of an organism. And genotype. Genotype is the genetic makeup of an organism. It refers to the set of genes or alleles an organism carries. You cannot see it with your eyes, it's present inside the DNA. For example, if a plant has the alleles RR for flower color, that's its genotype. And phenotype is the observable trait or appearance, what we can see. It is the result of the genotype interacting with the environment. So, if the plant with RR has red flowers, the red color is the phenotype. In simple words, genotype equals what's inside, the code, phenotype equals what's outside, the appearance. Another example. In humans, the gene for eye color is the genotype. Whether you have brown or blue eyes, that is your phenotype. So at last I want to conclude. Understanding these key terms is the first step in mastering genetics and plant breeding. These concepts not only help in academics but are essential in crop improvement and modern agriculture. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Agrigene Core.